everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout. So today I'm doing another Easter season themed layout. So these are some photos from Good Friday, and my two oldest grandsons did a coloring page of Good Friday, and then my granddaughter painted a photo that, or painted a picture that was kind of looked like what was going on, that, I shouldn't say her interpretation of Good Friday. And at this point, she's just 3. That's the middle photo there. She had just turned 3. I was really impressed with it because she did a really nice job, like sort of getting the the lines out there and that kind of a thing, and using grays, and I just thought it was really cool. So I wanted to make sure that I got these documented because, they totally got the meaning. So what I did here is I have this heart paper, which is from Illustrated Faith, You Are Loved, Heart of Flutter, which is an older company now, used to be made by Bella Boulevard. They are no longer in existence. I mounted the photos on that green paper from Bella Boulevard, Make Your Mark, Magnifique. And again, a really old line from when they were doing a lot of Bible journaling stuff for like Illustrated Faith. I think that might be their first collection for the Bible journaling. And then I mounted that all on black cardstock. It's the black Basil Black OP, just because the meaning of Good Friday and black felt really appropriate to me to add in there. Plus there's black in the hearts. And then for me, the I like the symbolization of the hearts because of Christ dying for us, if you have a Christian belief. And so I just thought that was kind of a cool sort of symbolism that I may be the only one who gets that, but I like to include that stuff in my layouts. It just makes it more interesting for me to scrapbook. And I won't see these layouts after I give them to them, although I do upload them all to Flickr, and I'm Kelly O'Black on Flickr. So if you ever want to look that up, or you need ideas for scrapbooking, there's a lot of layouts because all my layouts go up there. Except for naked bathtub pictures of the kids. We all take those, right? But those never go online. So anyway, back to the layout. I grabbed those gold letter stickers from the Bella Boulevard Make Your Mark Fundamental sticker sheet, and I'm adding those in. And then I'm just playing a little bit with pieces here, so that Black Banner die cut is from Bella Boulevard Make Your Mark, the gift tags, as is that heart as well. And just I'm looking through Bible journaling supplies from Illustrated Faith, just trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Each of these, and I've done Bible journaling. I haven't done it in a while. I used to do it a ton, and just haven't done it in quite a while. So something I probably need to get back to again. All right. So then, I'm just kind of playing with color here, trying to get some of the colors from the hearts spread around the layout. And I'm using all those speech bubbles from the Illustrated Faith Basics Messages from God paper pieces. So paper pieces are what they called the die cuts there. So I have that speech bubble, that little pink speech bubble with the dots on it, and then adding in that heart there as well. And then the speech bubbles down on the bottom there with the cloud that says forgive there. And I just found there's something I added to that as I was looking at this, it's coming off the layout. So I'm just going to get it on there right now so that it doesn't come off. Anyway. All right, so I'm not loving that heart up there. It's like there's so much color in other places that I decided it was too much. I want to get some more gold in there because of the gold letters, but I'll do that another way. So in this particular case, and I'm sorry this is really low here, but there was that forgive cloud was also speech bubble, and I just cut the speech bubble off. I don't love speech bubbles unless they're coming out of somebody's mouth. But I do use them on occasion. And if I can, a lot of times I'll cut the little speech bubble tail off, which is what I'm doing here. Using my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel there to just kind of define edges here. They're, similar collections, but not exactly the same. All right, now I have these puffy pieces from the Bella Boulevard Make Your Mark puffy stickers. And those are, so I just added that green one that says Unleash Your Creativity, which I thought is cool because obviously they're drawing Good Friday themed or coloring Good Friday themed pages there. Just found this black heart again, adding a little black into this. Again, there's a big piece of black up at the top with that banner. So I thought it would be nice if I could get some black down on the bottom here just to help balance that off just a little bit. The colors up there are so bright. And I'm putting my finger up there because I'm just not finding what I want. Here's how I'm going to add some gold in. This is a little gold heart. I have an X punch that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's just called X, I think, and it punches tiny hearts there, and then that's Recollections gold foil cardstock there. So that's how I'm adding in a little bit of gold there. When I have scraps of gold, I just punch hearts and stars and other stuff. All right, still not quite finding the right piece for that top. Until now. So I found that Explore die cut again from that pack from the Make Your Mark, the paper pieces, actually, the Illustrated Faith Basics paper pieces. Sorry, you guys. So I just thought that kind of worked because they're exploring, faith and that kind of stuff. I did grab that puffy sticker there from that heart sticker there, again from the Illustrated Faith. This one is from She Blooms puffy stickers, so that was a beautiful collection with gorgeous flowers and one of my all-time favorite papers, which was all kind of like roses, just gorgeous. And just adding in a couple of small little stickers here from that big sticker sheet from Make Your Mark where the gold letters came from. And I think I have everything. Oh, I added in that make phrase on the bottom as well too, because they're making it. It's kind of a creativity from that Make Your Mark sticker sheet, and that gets a little bit of more gold at the bottom. I missed that when I did that. I did add another gold heart, by the way, at the top, that from the punches that I had at the top there. Then I'm going to add some enamel dots in here from the Doodlebug Sprinkles in Bubblegum. So that nice hot pink, just to kind of pull in and add a little bit of something into the layout there. All right, you guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.